Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Facetime and select a contact. Do it now. Tap the camera icon to choose video or audio and make sure camera and mic permissions are granted. Otherwise, you'll be silent or unseen. Once done, prefer Wi-Fi or a 5G connection to reduce lag. If you have multiple cameras, choose the front one for eye contact. You'll see a preview. Adjust brightness and background quickly so the person on the other end sees you clearly and without distractions. You now manage the call. Tap mute to silence yourself when needed, and flip the camera to show something in the room. Once you're live, pinch to zoom for a close-up or tap and hold a tile to reposition it. This helps when multiple people are present. Make sure to use SharePlay or Screen Share to present photos or a web page. It keeps attention focused. If audio sounds thin, switch to speaker or plug in headphones to reduce echo and improve clarity. You finish by tapping the red End Call button. Check that any shared photos or screen captures were saved. If the video becomes choppy, switch to audio only immediately or move closer to the Wi-Fi router. That often restores quality. When permissions block camera or mic, force quit FaceTime and reopen it, or reboot your device. This refreshes hardware access. If problems persist, make sure iOS is updated and test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.